All right, so let's check our work. We have to start at 13 eighths. One, so this would be 8 eighths, 9 eighths, 10 eighths, 11 eighths, 12 eighths, 13 eighths. So I gotta go all the way back. And then they want us to go back 2 eighths. So 1 eighth, 2 eighths. And I would be right there. So my answer would be 8 eighths, 9 eighths, 10 eighths, 11 eighths. 11 eighths is the same as 1 and 1 eighth, 2 eighths, 3 eighths. They want us to go all the way to 13 eighths again. And then go back 6 eighths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eighths. So now that would be at 1 eighth, 2 eighths, 3 eighths, 4 eighths, 5 eighths, 6 eighths, 7 eighths. And you can't write 7 eighths any other way because it's under a hole. Now they want us to go to 13 eighths again. So make your jump all the way to 13 eighths. I think that's 13. 8, 8, 9, 8, 10, 8, 11 eighths, 12 eighths, 13 eighths, and go back a hole. So a hole with eighths would be 8 eighths. They want us to go, oh, it's a bad 8. Go back 8 eighths. 1 8, 2 8, 3 8, 4 8, 5 8, 6 8, 7 8, 8 eighths. I should probably go back to my black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that would be 1 8, 2 8, 3 8, 4 8, 5 8.